moving a batch through the cellar in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the cellar board, how to transfer a batch into a clean tank, and how logging the volume and loss keeps your yield accurate. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Cellar from your dashboard. This is your cellar board, every tank in your building, grouped by stage, fermenting, conditioning, bright, or ready to package. Each card shows the batch name, the tank it's in, days on that stage, and its latest reading. When a batch is ready to move, open its card and click Transfer. Pick the destination tank. I only show you empty compatible tanks, so you can't accidentally pick one that's still in use. Enter the volume you're moving and the date, and if you're leaving anything behind, trub, dead yeast, a heel, note the loss volume so your yield numbers stay accurate. Confirm it, and the batch moves to its new tank and stage automatically. The old tank shows empty and ready for cleaning, and I keep every tank that batch has ever touched in its history.